The final step in this process is to prepare for your interview. As in the case of any other sector, interviews are conducted in order to test your skills, interest, and suitability for the job. Some of these aspects can be understood on the basis of your CV or resume itself. But the interview will involve questions about your background, behavior, motivations, abilities, and knowledge that cannot be understood solely on the basis of your application. Also, the process, the tasks involved, and the kind of things that you're tested on in an interview vary significantly depending upon the kind of role or organization that you are applying to. For example, in the case of a consulting interview, you might have 5 to 6 rounds of cases where you're tested on your structured problem solving and communication skills. Whereas in the case of a grassroots nonprofit, it is likely that you would have fewer rounds where they test you on your knowledge and ideas of regarding the domain that that nonprofit works in. In either cases, it is important for you to know exactly what it is that the organization expects, what are the kinds of things that you should be prepared for in an interview, and how best you can highlight these qualities during your interview in order to receive the final offer. For this purpose, it is essential that you speak to people from the organization beforehand, so that you have all of these expectations clear. Irrespective of the role or organization that you are applying for, there are a few basics that you would need to ensure for any interview that you go for. These are four main things: knowing everything about the organization, um, being able to answer anything on your resume or CV, being able to highlight and showcase the skills that are relevant to the role that you have applied to, irrespective of whether or not you have been asked directly to do so. And lastly, being able to convey your genuine interest for the work that that organization does. If you have all of these in place where you're able to meet the exact skill, motivation, and behavioral requirements that an organization expects from an ideal candidate, it is highly likely that you would receive the offer.